Okay, has it started?
It started!
Hey guys, Joe the Transcated. We're going to be doing a video today. What we're going to be doing is a mukbang! This is my first video with 400 subs.
Wow!
Chicken bite things,
I'm gonna finish this in like the first 2 minutes.
pizza and fries. So let's go!
Lean back.
Man, never have I ever sucked a peen.
No.
Yeah, I did, neither.
Yeah, neither did I.
Yeah, neither did I. Why do people actually enjoy?
This is great. I love talking and eating. That's all I ever do. It's sort of shit people watch.
Why do I have so much more chicken bits than you?
Because I ate like 5 and gave 1 to Leo and threw 1 at Heidi. Oh, sick.
Okay, I'm gonna
Have one.
Wait, do you want to do a food challenge thing? You know what like people do?
No.
First to eat a piece of pizza. Crust not counted.
Hold on, let me just
Swallowed and everything.
wink wink. Can I finish my mouthful?
You want to stop adding to your mouthful then? Can I finish my mouthful? Yeah, just let me finish my mouthful. Let me finish it. Alright. So.
Oh.
Done. Liar! It's hard to chief.
I'll eat it. Oh, no, it's a hard crust. That's not fair.
No, I am really impressed.
Eat the crust, you twat.
No.
Be gone, fuck!
Be gone, fuck!
This is a great video so far.
10 fries, who can eat it quicker? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Start at 50. Done.
Same.
That was not fun. Right, three chicken balls.
Hi! Have you ever saw? Put them back!
No, I accidentally dropped it and then picked it up again.
Replay. I don't trust you. You took a chicken ball!
Not ready? You're doing my method, you did.
Yeah, I've watched YouTube before. I'm a YouTuber, you know, 401 subs. I'm big.
I'm gonna keep on the mouth.
Ishmael?
5 minutes later.
Swallow.
Swallow. Swallow.
I'm done.
I'm not.
Mate, you're getting clapped. You're getting clapped. I just want to eat my chips and get on with life.
I've still got a mouthful. I've got a few questions. Do you pretty much views you, Maddox?
Supreme.
Just don't eat. Like, I've got Charlotte's friend saying, is Charlotte your favourite sister? Because she better be. No. Big up Heidi. Maddox. Who is the fittest celebrity? Boy and girl.
Boy, probably Shrek.
I'd say boy is Moto.
Look out! I think Moto likes you. Here he comes.
Moto, girl.
No. Heidi! Moto's the boy.
Heidi, is Moto a boy or a girl?
Fittest.
Oh, Pokemon.
Okay. No, but alright. I say boy. Moto. But person boy.
James Charles.
What up, James Charles? Oh my god, I'm a queen. I'm so now I can leave.
Hurry up. Hurry the fuck.
Boy, I'd say Ronaldo.
Bender.
Okay. Girl, I'd say.
I don't know.
Ha! You're gay because you can only think of a boy one.
One of the people from Little Mix or something. I'm guessing.
Oh, good shout.
Jade.
What's the ginger one who always wears fishnets?
Jessie.
Is that what they're called, is it?
That's what she's called.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn notifications on. This video is quite short and quite bad, but yeah, we will see you in the next video. Peace out.